I've been debating replacing my GoPro Hero7 Black with an Insta360 One X2 as my primary camera. I borrowed my friend's 360 to take some side-by-side videos to compare the quality. Hope you enjoy. So let's see if you can tell the difference while I switch over between the GoPro and the Insta360 One X2. This is a still video of the same street. All the videos I shot on the Insta360 One X2 were on Steadicam mode except for one that you'll see later. A lot of my GoPro videos are in the snow, so it only made sense to take some comparison videos up in Big Bear Mountain. In an overcast environment, you could see the colors on the GoPro are a little bit more vibrant, but not by much. One huge benefit of the Insta360 is the image stabilization. As you can see here, the GoPro is very rocky compared to the Insta360, even with the hyper smooth stabilization on. This is the only time in the entire video I shot on 360 versus Steadicam mode, and you really don't see that much of a difference. Now, this is something that the GoPro definitely cannot do out of box that the Insta360 can, and it's really easy to create these edits. And here we are driving home from Big Bear. I also took the cameras to Descanso Gardens, which I think really shows the difference in quality between the GoPro and the Insta360. The GoPro image looks much sharper to me here. You'll definitely notice a difference in colors here.
Yellow flowers.
Finally, I had to include this video of goslings I took because who doesn't love goslings? So what's the conclusion? Well, the quality of the GoPro is much better, so I'm definitely not replacing it with the Insta360. However, you can do so many cool things with the Insta that I might just shell out the money for it. Hope this video was helpful. If not, I still had a blast making it and it was definitely helpful for me.